I'm so excited, dun 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 dun, and na 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 na. I know, I want you, but you already mine. So I need the next one. It's like being a drug addict. You have your shot, I don't know how you say that, like your line, and then you have, you're high, and then you're down, and then you need another one. It's exactly the same with bags. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to 31 days of unboxings, one unboxing per day for 31 days. Guys, it's almost the end. Woohoo! It's almost the end of this crazy month, and I think for the last videos every time I will, thank you for being here. I know a lot of people watched every single video. They watched, they liked, and they gave me a comment. So I know you guys are here, here, I don't know, here with me. So thank you so much, because I had this idea, but I wasn't sure I was going to make it in French, to make it in English, and to stay alive. So woohoo, c'est trop bien. Guys, today, can't wait to show you guys my anxiety and addiction and obsession with Salvatore Ferragamo iconic top handle bags are getting high or becoming really, really strong. I had this bag in my collection, so it doesn't count, but I just received today a new one, and I didn't want to to unbox for this challenge, but I changed my planning and I will do it, because you guys need to see this bag. You guys need to see my new, I'm not going to spoil, but it's gonna be a suede. I think after 1 month I learned that you say in English suede and not Swede, but I think Swede is so much like cute that maybe I will say sweet, at least for the last bag of this challenge. So yeah, I bought a new suede Ferragamo iconic top handle, so stay with me, I'm gonna show it. You guys need to see this babe. But today, let me introduce to you to its big sister. I'm not sure it's the most old, I don't think it's the older iconic top handle bag that I have, but it doesn't matter, I have it. So as you guys can see, the handle is like in metal. I think this is the third bag with metal handle that I am unboxing. Am I obsessed with metal bags? I don't know, maybe. So let me introduce to you to this bizarre but unique and heavy iconic top handle bag from Salvatore Ferragamo. This bag, okay, it's closed because I was a little bit scared. This bag is, let me try to show you guys. So as you can see, the gancini and the handle and the structure of the bag is like metal, like silver. It's heavy, huh? And then you have this. It's like an intrecciato, like the Bottega Veneta when you put the leather like in between and you sew the thing. And this is the same with this plastic kind of rope, so it goes up and down and up and down. So let me just say it's like an intrecciato. I know in Italian this is how it's called. In English and in French I have like no idea. But as we are an international YouTube channel, let's use international words, okay? And this bag is, is heavy. When I say it's heavy, if someone comes to you and you want to kill it, I mean, kill the guy. If someone's like, you know, trying to steal your bag, you can kill, because this thing is really, really heavy. So inside, this is how it opens. So you have this plastic lining, and I didn't see it before, but here's the tag is, you know, on the side, because they could not, you know, put it here. And you know, the base of the bag, you have the metal here, and you know, all these stitchings in plastic and everything. And this bag, just need to pay attention to close it. So I'm sure it's, yeah, it's closed. And this bag is massive. It's so heavy, but when I saw it, I just had to buy it because it's so unique. It's so unconventional. It's so like unique. And I had to have it. And when I unboxed my first iconic top handle bag, and I explained to you guys that this bag exists since the 90s, and they did it in different colors, not the shape because it's always the same, but colors, materials, and yeah, this is what I'm talking about. And when I see, I'm just in love. I'm having some like difficulties to express myself because I'm in love with it. I cannot believe this bag is mine. The boy is mine, but the bag is mine. Je me connais, I know myself. This bag, so let me put them together because I know you guys already had this one. Oh mon Dieu, c'est trop d'émotion dans mon cœur. Regardez ça. Ah! When I'm too excited, I cannot speak English. Ah! Guys, mon Dieu, regardez. Look at this. The acrylic and the plastic intrecciato one. They are insane and they are mine. J'adore. And I know myself. I know this is only like the beginning of the collection, because, and I regret because I saw one in, it's like carbon black material from the moon. It was only 700, and I was like, oh no, I don't need it. It's too special, the material and blah blah blah. I didn't buy. Now I am unable to find it for less than $3,000. And now my obsession is, my goal is to have all the most special, iconic top handle bags in this planet. Ah, Chanel, sorry, bye. Guys, it's finished. Our relationship is finished because now mommy wants some Salvatore Ferragamo. I don't care. I was supposed to start saving, but no. Moi, je veux des sacs like this. Je veux. Guys, let me do some mud shots because I'm way too excited. J'adore, franchement, j'adore. The only thing is, it's heavy. This is, and I know I do never really wear my bags because I'm always like a little bit, oh là là, je vois quelque chose. I will have to do a little surgery. I have to fix the screw here because it's a little bit loose, but nothing very difficult. Now, mud shots, please. I'm so excited, dun 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 dun, and na 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 na. I know, I want you, but you already mine. So I need the next one. It's like being a drug addict. You have your shot, I don't know how you say that, like your line, and then you have, you know, you're high and then you're down and then you need another one. It's exactly the same with bags. But is bags less expensive than drugs? I don't know. I am addicted to it. Mamma mia. Guys, let me know in the comment box down below what you think about it. I will film the French video right now. I think it's gonna be like pop it up. I will lâcher, je vais faire un lâcher de ouf. I will go crazy because I will be so excited. And yeah, guys, if you don't follow me yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm not sure you can find another channel where you can see this kind of rarity like these babies. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next wow things that I am keeping for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and I see you in my next video. Je vous fais des gros bisous et à bientôt. Bye!